Hello everyone, welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will understand how to fetch and print processor details of a Windows machine with the help of Java. This is my Windows machine and I have Windows 11 operating system and I can see the processor details. Here, as you can see, the processor is 12th Gen Intel Core TM-i5 and it has speed also 1.30. Now, I want to print this detail in the command prompt with the help of Java. Let's learn how to print these details with the help of command prompt. First, not only the processor details, not only the name of the processor, but also the number of cores. Those can be visible here from Task Manager, as you can see here. Here also you can see the CPU name is 12th Gen Intel, and then you can see here the base speed and also the number of cores is R10 and the number of logical processor R10. Suppose I want to print these details in a command prompt. Let's learn how to do that first. As you can see here in the command prompt, I have ran a command which is a PowerShell command. So I ran on Windows PowerShell. So this is the command and this command returns me the name of the machine CPU and the number of cores, the number of logical processor, and also the max clock speed. Now, which we saw as 1.3 gigahertz. Now, how to print these details with the help of Java? So let's break down the task. So the task is we have to use Java to fetch the processor details such as processor name, number of cores, and number of logical processor. So the steps involved are invoking the command prompt and also the PowerShell, and then running the command and fetching the results and printing them as output. Because Java by default will not provide any classes or methods by default to fetch these details. Now, as we already saw in the previous session, how to run a command with the help of Java, and we had already earlier created a folder with the help of Java by running a command in the Java runtime. The same logic applies here also. Here also we are writing a command which we are taking in a string, and let me break down the command. cmd.exe is used to invoke the command prompt. Then /c is used to close the command prompt once the task is done. Then comes the next line, the PowerShell. PowerShell is used now because we are running a PowerShell command. We have to use this PowerShell command. Then comes the actual command as we saw in the command prompt in the PowerShell. From here, the command starts. We are getting the details of the instance and the name of the process for the Windows 32 processor. And what and all we are displaying are the name of the object, the name of the machine, the number of cores, and the number of logical processors, and the maximum clock speed. Now, as our command is ready, now we will create a process with the help of runtime, .get runtime, and execute method, which we learned earlier here in the command, how to run the command using Java video. Now we are running this command and we are creating a process. Now the process has all the input stream. That input stream we are passing to a buffer reader and we are creating a reader object. Now the reader has all the inputs, all the required output details of the processor. Now we are breaking them line by line and we are printing them with the help of a while loop. That's all. Once we run this, as you can see here, the name is Gen Intel R Core TM and i5, and also the number of cores are 10, which we can compare with our task manager. Here As you can see here, the name is same, and then the number of cores are 10 here. Let us compare with the program. Number of cores are 10, then number of logical processors are 12. Here, let us see number of logical processors are 12. Then what lies behind? The maximum clock speed. As you can see here, you can see the base speed is 1.30 gigahertz. So with this, we will be able to achieve the all the details of the CPU with the help of a PowerShell command using Java. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.